Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Canva affiliate program for design subscription referrals, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into the Canva affiliate program, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Canva affiliate program website. Look for the sign in or login button on the homepage. Click on the sign in button. This will direct you to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your email and password to ensure they are correct. Once you have confirmed your details, click the Login button. If your credentials are accurate, you will be directed to your affiliate dashboard. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page. Enter your newly created password, along with your email. Click the Login button again. You should now see your affiliate dashboard. Here, you can access your referral links and track your earnings. Explore the resources available for affiliates to optimize your referrals. Keep your account information secure for future logins. Regularly check your dashboard for updates and performance metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.